students. In this session, we explain about some basic term used in muscular tissue. Before I start the topic, all of we are know that muscular tissue are three types. Naming is smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, and cardiac muscle. Our first word are sarcolemma and sarcoplasm. The functional characteristic of a skeletal muscle cells. The cell membrane is called the sarcolemma. This membrane are structured to receive and conduct stimuli. The sarcoplasm of cell is filled with contractile myofibril, and this result in the nuclei and other organelles being relegated to the edge of the cell. Our next question: what is the role of sarcolemma in muscle cell contraction? The sarcolemma generally maintain the same function in muscle cell as the plasma membrane does in other eukaryotic cell. It acts as a barrier between the extracellular and intracellular compartment, defining the individual muscle fiber from its surrounding. What is the function of sarcoplasm? Sarcoplasm is the cytoplasm of a muscle fiber. It is a water solution containing ATP and phosphogenes as well as the enzymes and intermediate and product molecule involve many metabolic reactions. One thing regarding the sarcoplasm question is the which cell contain sarcoplasm? Sarcoplasm is the cytoplasm of a myocyte. It is comparable to the cytoplasm of other cells, but it contains usually large amount of glycosomes. What is glycosomes? Glycosome is the granules of stored glycogen and significant amount of myoglobin and oxygen binding protein. So student, what is myoglobin? Your answer will be myoglobin is a oxygen binding protein. Okay. Next one is the what is the sarcoplasmic reticulum? Answer is sarcoplasmic reticulum regulate the cytoplasmic calcium ion concentration of skeletal muscle cell and thereby controls muscular contraction and relaxation. The sarcoplasmic reticulum releases calcium ion during muscle contraction and absorb them during relaxation. Next thing which is very important, why is calcium need for muscle contraction? Your answer will be calcium ion play an important role in muscle contraction by creating interaction between the protein, myosin and actin. The calcium ion bind to the C component of the actin filament which expose the binding site for the myosin head to bind in order to stimulate a muscle contraction. That's all for today. Thank you.